What's up, guys, and thank you so much for checking out another one of our videos. Today we have something very special. We're going to be unboxing and giving our first impressions on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's get started. So guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing and give you our first impressions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Let's get started with the unboxing. Right off the bat, we have the phone, and we have some of these booklets that you're probably never going to read. Yeah, usually no one ever reads these booklets anyway. So then we're going to get in and see what else comes inside the box. We have the quick fast charger itself. We have some headphones that come with the Note. Actually pretty good headphones. That's actually a connector. Those are the headphones right there. Pretty good headphones itself. We have the charging cable, and then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and its beautiful render glory. So now once you set up your Note, you can actually transfer the data from your old phone by plugging in that USB cord into one phone and then plugging the other end into the other, and it actually transfers all your apps and information over into your brand new Galaxy Note 9. So now my impressions of the Note 9, having used it for about a day or two now, in a full day of use, I have to say I'm extremely impressed with the battery of this device. It actually comes with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and it definitely shows. I'm a heavy user of cell phones. I usually end my day with 30 to 20%, sometimes even less if I don't charge it in between times during the day. And I found that the Note actually gives me a good 40 to 50% after finishing my day without even charging the phone itself. Now, I love the S Pen that comes with this phone. I am a very heavy user of the S Pen. Not many people are, but I do take a lot of notes. I do take a lot of things that I jot down, so I'm pulling out that S Pen at least once or twice a day, even more sometimes. So this one is extremely accurate. It feels like writing with a regular normal pen. Samsung really does a great job always with the S Pen, and this Note is just no exception at all. The screen is extremely beautiful, it's extremely vibrant, and like I said, with that battery, it really, you can take full advantage of it without worrying about your battery dying. Now the S Pen has some additional functions. As you can see here, you can actually use it kind of as a remote to control your camera, but you can actually program it to control different apps within the Note 9, and it makes the S Pen a little bit more functional for people who normally don't use the S Pen. So I guess they're trying to gear it towards people who see the S Pen as a novelty or something that they wouldn't normally use. As you can see, the build quality on it is fantastic. It feels great in your hand. It's just a beautiful device. It's expensive, but it's definitely worth the money, and we're going to go ahead and do a full review on it as soon as I have some more time with it. And we're also going to compare it with my Note 8 to see what the differences are, so you guys can make a great buying decision. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Considering buying a Note 9, or you're going to go to a Note 8, or you're not going to a Note device at all, what phone are you looking forward to buy? Is $1,000 too much to spend on the phone? Let us know. We definitely are interested in your comments. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys, and until next time, peace out.